In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets in dark mode on desktop. If you spend a lot of time working in spreadsheets, switching to a darker view can feel much easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. Google Sheets on desktop doesn't offer a full built-in dark mode for the spreadsheet canvas in the same way some apps do. But there is a simple workaround that lets you create a dark appearance for your sheet by changing the formatting of all cells at once. I'll walk you through the process clearly, so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Once you are inside the sheet, look to the very top left corner of the grid. You'll see an empty rectangle sitting above row 1, and just to the left of column A. Click that box to select all cells in the spreadsheet at the same time. This is important because it ensures the formatting change will apply across the entire sheet instead of just a small section. After everything is selected, move up to the top menu and click Format. Then choose Conditional Formatting. This will open the Conditional Formatting panel, usually on the right side of the screen. Even though conditional formatting is often used to highlight cells based on values or rules, here you are using it as a quick method to apply a consistent dark style throughout the sheet. In the Format Rules section, click the drop-down labeled Format Cells if. From the list of options, choose Custom Formula Is. This setting lets you enter a formula that always evaluates as true, which means the formatting you choose will be applied everywhere within the selected range. Now click into the formula box and type equals true. Since that formula always returns a true result, Google Sheets will apply your chosen formatting to all selected cells continuously. Next, go down to the Formatting Style area. Click the fill color icon and choose black. Then set the text color to white. This combination gives your spreadsheet the dark mode effect with a dark background and light text that is easier to read. Once that looks right, click Done to apply the change. At that point, your sheet should appear in a dark style format. Keep in mind that this changes the cell appearance, not every part of the Google Sheets interface, so menus and toolbars may still look the same. Still, for the main working area, this is a practical and effective solution. Thanks for watching.